In 2016, I traveled abroad for the first time. My boyfriend Harrison and I went on a dream trip to Italy for 9 days. I'll never forget the feeling I had when we first touched down in Italy. A whole new country. Everything was so exciting, so new, and it was scary, but I was exhilarated. I planned the whole trip and it was up to me to make sure everything went well, and I couldn't get over the fact that somehow I had gotten us there. I cried when I saw all the places I'd been dreaming of my whole life in person. I blinked and it was over. But that one trip had me absolutely hooked on travel. I was obsessed. I spent a whole year applying for jobs in Italy just hoping to move there. Europe trip done. For now. 2 years would pass before we traveled again. I had a job that I loved, but I still couldn't shake the need to travel. As a kid, I thought that I would never ever be able to travel, and I was achingly jealous of anyone who had, but I had traveled. I did it in 2016, so I knew that I could do it again. So I started planning our next trip. 2 weeks in Germany. That was the plan. But then I started to think, well, we will already be in Europe, might as well extend it a little bit to a month. And then it was 3 months. And then it was 6 months. Somehow I convinced Harrison to go on an adventure of a lifetime with me, traveling Europe for 6 months and filming the whole thing. We booked volunteer work, we booked house sits, we had 2 years of savings to fund us, and I hoped that this trip would finally satiate my need for travel. I thought that after our first 6-month trip in Europe, I'd be done with travel because, well, I mean, even if I wanted to, I'd be dead broke after 6 months in Europe. But I was wrong. Our trip only cost a third of what we anticipated. So when we returned home from traveling, we stayed for 6 months to work and we earned back almost entirely what we lost on our first trip. So we did it again. This is a look at the last 2 years of our travels and a life that I never thought would be mine. So I'm just waking up now in Ljubljana and it's all kind of starting to hit me. The whole 6 months thing. A little out of my comfort zone right now, but I'm really excited. But yeah, I just woke up and it's like, holy shit.
I'm itching on a photograph. Yeah, I'm scratching on a thermostat. Yeah, I'm giving up on looking back. Yeah, I'm letting go of what I had.
We don't have any of our suitcases.
Our bus literally drove right by us.
We just got searched for drugs.
My grandfather actually, he had passed away a couple weeks and I couldn't make it home to the funeral.
She talked about how I got assaulted and yeah, that actually happened.
I don't know, but whatever it was, they chose not to help us. That just hit you like, I made it here. This place that I've been looking at for so long, all these years, dreaming about, this place that was just an idea in my head. I can't believe I'm here.
Yeah, I'm scratching on the thermostat. Yeah, I'm letting go of all that
This life isn't easy. We work 24/7 to sustain our travels through freelance work, and we're trying our best to build this YouTube channel. Our income is unsteady at best, often not even there. We're nomadic and often without creature comforts, and our future is extremely uncertain. But the sleepless nights, the bumps in the road, even the uncertain future, that's all worth it to me. I remember years ago, before we even went to Italy, I was a cashier and I was just sitting at the front desk watching the hours tick by and wondering, what was I doing with my life? What about all the dreams I had, all the things that I thought my life would be? I felt really lost as to how to achieve my goals, and I really thought that they'd probably never happen. I actually used to listen to this song by Grouplove and fantasize about the travels I was going to have and the adventures. I literally listened to this song on repeat for years, just envisioning this crazy life that I could possibly have. But now, this is my life. And I don't know how long I'll be able to live this amazing, incredible journey that I'm lucky enough to be on, but as long as I have the opportunity to try to fulfill my wildest dreams, you know I'm going to milk that and hold on to that for as long as I possibly can. That being said, here's to a fantastic 2020 of more travels and more dreams that are about to happen. So please hit subscribe to More Travel Please and join the ride, join the adventure. Thank you for watching. Bye!
I used to want to be a princess.
You used to want to be a princess?
Yes,
Then
so
what-
I do every time I do this over.
I see. So now what do you want to be?
A princess. And I wish I was going in the castle.
You know, that's a really sweet wish. That's a nice wish. I bet that'll come true.